How to tell if lightning cable is genuine. Hi everyone, welcome back. This video is a guide on how to tell if the lightning cable you have is genuine. Number 1. Check for the MFI badge on the packaging. This is a tag that Apple puts on its accessories as a certification that they're safe to be used with their products like iPhone, iPad, and iPod. Here's a picture of both the new and old MFI badge. Number 2. For the Apple branded Lightning to USB cable, check if the cable comes with a Designed by Apple in California print and with either assembled in China, Vietnam, or Industria Brasileira. That's about 7 inches from the USB connector. Next to those words should be a 12-digit serial number. Take a look at this picture for reference. Number 3. Check if the lightning head has the following characteristics. The pins should be a single piece and smooth. The charger should also be rounded, smooth, and the contacts have gold or silver contacts. The main lightning connector should only be 7.7 millimeters in width and 12 millimeters in length. The faceplate insert should be gray or metallic. Number 4. You should also check the actual USB head for the following characteristics. The interlocks should be trapezoidal and equally spaced from the edge. The USB contacts should be gold-plated. The surface should be smooth, consistent, and flat. The insulator surface should be flat and uniform. Number 5. This one is a personal recommendation and quite simple. Just make sure that it was purchased from the official website or physical store of Apple. So, is your lightning cable genuine? If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.